I'm back home after almost 5 weeks when I trained some of those who will liberate Ukraine. So I thought I would find a lot of new flat earth claims to debunk. But all I found was flat earth on repeat. Taboo conspiracy still lies and still don't do any kind of research at all.
Hello everyone. I have an awesome video to share with everyone today, and it comes from the YouTube channel Shimshon. The current recognized world record long distance ground to ground photograph from the Beyond Horizons website is this photo at a distance of 275 miles. It's an impressive record, but that world record pales in comparison to what Shimshon filmed, and Shimshon instead planned to capture the setting sun behind the Greek island of Crete. But the distance between Ashkelon National Park in Israel and the highest point in Crete was 616 miles.
In this example, he used somebody else's video, a video from Israel that Taboo claims shows Crete from Israel. But when I look at the original video, the one made the video don't claim that. Both Vers Wally and MC Toon have done great debunks on this video and proves that Taboo is, as usual, lying.
Google Earth on May 14th, 2023, this is what the sunset should have looked like on the same pathway.
Oh, hold on there, Ben. Why the hell are you not above the red line? Why are you to the north of it? Are you trying real hard to make the sunset behind the mountains there, Ben? I bet you tried it where you were supposed to do it, over above that red line there, and the sun didn't set where you needed it to. Hey, Ben, so you just moved it to here. Well, that's a little deceptive, isn't it, Ben?
There's no way you could see Crete. It's not even close. And second, the things that Ben claimed were mountains, they move. In this video by Oli Dahasalir, hopefully I got that right, we clearly see the claimed mountains are moving in relation to the gas platform. Hey Del, do mountains move like that?
No!
No, they don't. But clouds do. Those are clouds, Ben.
Oops.
And then we have Brian, not so logic. He did see Taboo's video, and what did he do?
Well, how are you doing? Okay, this is hopefully not a very long video. This is based on an observation I made from Israel to Crete. So I've kind of messed around with some of the filters. I'm on my older computer, so the clarity is not so brilliant. But Taboo Conspiracy highlighted this man's observation in a video of his with the man's video linked in his description. So I will link Taboo Conspiracy's video with this, and the man's link to his channel is in that video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show what the globe Earth's response has to be, right? I'm going to show their response to this, right? So he's in Israel and this is Crete. Now I'm not going to go through all the stuff that's in Taboo Conspiracy's video or the guy's video. I'm going to leave that in that video. You can watch that and watch the observation and all the details of the observation. This here is Crete. He's in Israel. So that means he's viewing Crete 616 miles away. So I did another one here, so you can see this here is Crete, and this is not the most clear, but you'll see in Taboo Conspiracy's video, he shows the guy's video and he shows how this seems to definitely be Crete.
No research at all, no thinking. He made a copycat video of Taboo's video. Oh dear. As you did see in the clip from MC Toon, Crete is moving in the video. I wonder what type of explanation for that Brian have. And I have had a look at Brian's latest masterpiece.
Well, how are you doing? Okay, this video is going to be called the Flat Earth Map, right? This is something that we've been asked about for since this topic came back into the public arena many years ago. Okay, so I made a video some time back about I called it longitudinal reassignment, and the whole purpose of it, I just show, was that on the Gleason's map here, right, as you can see, Australia has several longitude lines going through it. Now, my point is that Australia is stretched on this map. The latitude and longitude grid on the Gleason's map is exactly as it should be. The problem is that all the continents are given a globe size.
So according to this fool, the longitude and latitude lines on the Gleason map is correct, but Australia is in the wrong size. I was thinking of making a debunk video of this one, but this is so damn stupid, so I don't know where to start. This is purely Brian's twisted mind, his fantasies. How do you debunk a confused fool's fantasies? Brian lacks all knowledge and experience regarding all that have to do with navigation. I'm not sure that he is capable of finding his way home after work. Then I choose to look at the new so-called Flat Earth documentary, Level With Me. So I had a look at it. Hopefully I would find something new to debunk.
Okay, level with me here. There's this idea that we live on a ball and it's spinning and traveling through space at unfathomable speeds, yet you can't measure it, you can't repeat it or observe it. At this point, it becomes a religion. What are you holding on to? Do you care what other people think? Are you just worried what your friends and family are going to say? Is it your satellites? Is it your aliens? There are no satellites in the vacuum of space. Satellites are satelloons. You're aliens. Let's say you're an outer space alien fanatic. What if I told you can have your aliens too? That they come from outer space, not upper space, but outer space. They are extraterrestrials. Terrestrial meaning terrain, meaning land. So what is it? What's stopping you? You've never seen curvature with your own eyes. You never felt the earth spinning. You've never been able to observe and measure these claims. So at this point, it becomes a religion.
Oh dear, a great start. The fool, the flat earth millionaire, with a bunch of reused flat earth garbage. Let's move on.
8, 7, 6. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
And these old, disgusting claims that the astronauts didn't die, they are living secret with the same names. Strange. Oh dear. Let's look at some more claims from this so-called documentary.
1, 2, 3, bubbles in space.
The International Space Station, that's a complete fraud. It's a complete hoax. I don't believe that all these astronauts are living up there and doing all this. Every single time that they do some type of live demonstration, you can see some type of faulty wiring, some type of glitch. They're literally being held up by strings.
Green screens, wires, CGI, augmented reality, all sorts of issues. Think about this. They always have the women with long flowing hair. That would never be allowed.
They literally spray hairspray in their hair to make it look like their hair is floating in zero gravity.
The International Space Station, brought to you by the same guys who faked 6 moon missions. Yeah, I believe that. I don't know exactly how they're videotaping themselves. They could be on one of those zero-G planes and, doing it all in there. I'm not sure how they're doing it, but I don't believe it at all. It looks like a bunch of green screen
What's making them go around? They don't make sense. Then you find out NASA owns 98% of the helium. Then you find out all these satellites that crash have balloons attached to them. Then you can deduce they actually float these satellites up with balloons. It's that simple. The reason that you can always find a video of a rocket from NASA taking off and then slowly making a U-shaped arc is not because it's going around the ball and going to the other side or going out into space. It's because shortly after these rockets that are funded by your tax dollars take off, they only have a certain amount of time before they crash back to the Earth because they run out of fuel.
A bunch of reused flat earth garbage. Nothing new in this documentary. I will stop it here. The rest of the video is the same. Reused garbage. I will keep on looking for something new to make Debunk videos about. I hope you all will have a lovely Monday. I will be back in the beginning of next week with a live. See you soon. Bye.